Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're finding that your Surface Pro 4 only lasts about 10 minutes on a charge, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a failing battery, which can lead to significant inconvenience. If left unresolved, it may lead to further complications, potentially affecting other components of your device. Now, let's get started with the tools you'll need. For this repair, you'll require a heat gun, a suction cup, a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the Surface Pro 4. First, we need to open the device safely. Begin by applying gentle heat around the edges of the screen using the heat gun. This will help soften the adhesive. Once heated, take the suction cup and place it near the edge of the screen. Pull gently while inserting the plastic prying tool into the gap. Work your way around the screen carefully to avoid damaging any internal components. After you've successfully removed the screen, you should see the battery. The problem lies here, as it may be swollen or depleted. To extract it, locate the screws securing the battery. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, carefully unscrew these. Remember to keep track of the screws, as they can be quite small. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect any cables attached to the battery. Be cautious here, as you don't want to damage nearby components. Lift the old battery out and replace it with the new one, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Reconnect the cable securely and replace the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, we need to close the device. Align the screen with the base and press firmly around the edges to seal it back into place. Once everything is secure, turn on your Surface Pro 4 to check if the battery is functioning correctly. You should now find that your device lasts much longer on a single charge. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure you regularly check your battery health and avoid letting the charge drop to zero frequently. Keeping your device in a cool, dry place can also help extend battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.